Ponte las zapatillas, tú. Ponte tú solo, ponte tú solo. Tú sabes. No, espérate.
Who do you want to be on your road trip team? You can choose from
Ven.
You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to play.
Vestido.
You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to play. It's about onward. I look.
So, count the
Saca, mi amor, saca.
Onward.
count.
Set.
Onward and trailward. Onward and trailward. That's
Count.
It's about
Sí,
time to start our road
sacar.
trip. Spin that spinner. You can either tap on the center or swipe it.
Spin the spinner and your character will advance automatically. If there is a fork in the trail, choose the arrow that points in the direction you want to go.
Now spin away. Who do you want to be on your road trip team? You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to play.
Ya.
Onward and trail. Nature Cat. Onward and trailward. It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Welcome to Niagara Falls.
Mete tu brazo.
Smallmouth bass can survive a trip over Horseshoe Falls, one of the 3 falls that make up Niagara Falls.
Onward and spinward.
No. No.
There's so much nature to see. The mighty trail awaits. Tally ho. Spin that spinner. Spin that spinner. Onward and trailward. Let's do this. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. There are more geysers in Yellowstone than anywhere else on Earth. Nature Cat. There's so much nature to see. It's my turn. Spin that spinner. Onward and trailward.
Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park. There are 22 species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them?
Onward and spinward. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. The mighty trail awaits. Tally ho. There's so much nature to see. Let's do this. Onward and trailward. Nature Cat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. It's my turn. adventurer! You made it to the end of the trail! There are still more park souvenirs to collect! Who wants to play again?